This is a 1966 Mustang, Ford Mustang, and I like the color combination too. It's unique, and it's like I never would have thought of painting the color or having the color this combination. It's like a tan, beige color. Now you look at the interior; it's got like a dark, mahogany burgundy red or something. I guess it's a reddish. It's a red, but it's got the tan, which maybe the camera's not picking it up, but it matches the outside very well. Got the automatic, probably C4 transmission. It's got the 289 V8, and then of course you got the red striped tires, which goes along with the red and tan interior. This thing actually looks really. You know what? It's a lot easier to paint a car a simple color like this. Plus the dirt don't show on it that easy, because if it's a dark color. All dirt shows on dark colors, and also white really shows a lot. This color is like the most forgiving color to keep clean. That's another thing. But it's a nice color combination. I guess the only thing you would want to do on this maybe is add, you could probably add some pinstripe flames or something, with the reddish color. But don't overdo it, just a real little bit. But that would be dirt cheap to do, and I don't know what. Maybe just a couple pinstripes with the red on the side. So anyway, and look at the wheels. The wheels are nice. But it's a simple Mustang that I was surprised with this color combination. It's a very nice. See, it just goes well. It just goes well. Huh? You wouldn't have thought of that. It's got the same type of tan on the dashboard. Same type of tan on the door panels and the seats. It just goes well. It's kind of surprising, because I would have never thought of it, so I'm looking at it so much.